If your outlet is giving inconsistent voltage readings, it can totally mess up your devices and create safety headaches. Okay, so first thing, you want to grab a multimeter and test the outlet's voltage a couple of times at different spots. If the reading jumps around a lot, that's a sign something's off. Next, check the breaker panel to make sure the breaker for that outlet isn't loose or tripped. Sometimes just flipping it off and on again can fix weird issues. You also want to look for loose wires in the outlet box. Turn off the power first, then carefully pull out the outlet and see if any wires are loose or corroded. If you spot anything sketchy, tighten the screws or replace damaged wires. Another quick tip: test other outlets on the same circuit to see if the problem's isolated or more widespread. If you've got an older house, the wiring might be worn out or not up to code, which means it's time to call a pro. And always double check your multimeter is set correctly. Wrong settings can give you bogus voltage readings and confuse you even more. One of the biggest issues with outlets giving inconsistent voltage readings is loose wiring, which can cause flickering power and even sparks. Fix it by turning off power and tightening connections. Another common problem is a faulty breaker or electrical panel issue causing unstable voltage. Resetting the breaker or replacing it usually clears this up. Lastly, damaged or outdated wiring can cause voltage drops or surges. If that's the case, it's safest to get a licensed electrician to inspect and replace what's needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with electrical repairs and other home projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for real pros, making it easier to grow their business.